Exercise 8, we will be creating relationships between tables. Now, setting up one table is quite easy, but databases are actually more powerful when you set up relationships between two or more tables. Now, in this exercise, we will be creating a new table called products. We will then relate this table to our existing customers table. This relationship will allow us to track who bought a particular product and on which date. Now, to get started, make sure you have Database 1 open. Click the Tables tab, then click New, and select Design View. Click OK. Now, we're going to design a new table, so in the first field, we'll type in Customer ID, and the data type, you will be selecting number this time. Remember, in the customers table we had auto number, but in this table we'll just pick number. Select customer ID, right click on customer ID and click primary key with the left mouse button, so that assigns the customer ID as the primary key. Underneath customer ID, type in product, and its data type is text, and under product type in date, and click the down arrow in data type next to date and choose date and time. Now we're going to go down to the bottom where you have the word format. Click in that box, click the down arrow, and select medium date. Medium date will show the day, month, and year in this format here. So we just pick medium date, and we're finished. Now we go up to File and Save, and the computer will ask us to give this new table a name. So we will call this Products. Click OK. Now we'll close this, and there you go, we have a Products table. Now if you open a Products table, of course it's going to be empty. So you type in the information that's shown in your instruction book, and I will just quickly enter it here. Okay, so I've entered in all that information, and please note, customer ID, I've got 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to save the table. Just go File, Save, and then I'll close. So that was our products table we just updated. Now, if you go to your customers table, I'll just open this up for you. Just make note that Joe was customer ID number 1, Jane was customer ID number 2, and Ronald was customer ID number 3. Okay, I'll close that. Now, to continue, this is where the fun part starts. Go up to Tools and click Relationships. Now, when you click Relationships, you should have an empty screen like this. Okay, and this show table should appear. Okay, and so when you see this show table, select customers once and click the add, and that should add a window called customers. Click products and add, and it should show a window with products. Click close. Now these are the two tables will be relating together. So if you do the following, click customer ID in the customers window, left click, hold the mouse down, and drag customer ID to the right hand table, the products table, and let go. This box called Edit Relationships should appear. Basically, the computer is going to be relating our customers table to our products table by customer ID. Click Create, and you'll see that now there's a line connecting the two tables. Okay. At this point, you can click File, Save, and that will save the relationship between these two tables. I'll close this, and we have one more thing to do. The last thing we have to do is make a report. And to make a report, click the Reports tab, click New, and Report Wizard. Okay. And in the Tables box, okay, make sure it says Table Customers. Click last name once, and then this right arrow. Click first name once, and then the right arrow. Then we're going to click this down arrow next to the tables box and switch to table products. Okay, so once we've done that, click product once, and then the right arrow, date once, and the right arrow. So basically, we've selected the last name and first name fields from the customers table, and then we've selected product and date from the products table. Click Next once, and click it again. And the computer is asking, how do we want to sort these four fields? Okay, so clicking the down arrow, select last name. So that means that the report is going to be sorting the data based on the last name. Okay, it will do it alphabetically by last name. Okay, click Next, and we've got three layouts we can pick from, but choose tabular. Okay, and click Next, and choose any style you want. Depending on the style you pick, your table may look, your report may look different than the one in exercise 8 sample. I'll choose formal and next. And what title do you want for your report? Now it's important here that you save this as customers products. Okay, as that will be the table title. That will be the report title, customers products. Okay, click finish, and you wait a second, and there you go. The computer has now printed a report which shows that the customers Jane, Ronald, and Joe bought these three items. Jane bought a small picture, Ronald bought a medium picture, and Joe bought a big picture. Additionally, the computer has published this report alphabetically based on last name. So Jane is first because her name starts with a D, and Joe is last because his last name starts with an S. Okay, we're finished. We can close this, and we're done exercise 8.